Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project is called Bone Leaf. It's got a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches long with 35.56 centimeters. They melt together to form a loop. Both loops are connected to make the core. There's going to be white, red, and blue, or red, white, and blue. And the white's going to be part of the core, but yes, yeah, it is and it isn't. You'll see when we do it. There is white is 10 inches or 25.4 centimeters. The red is 48 inches or 121.92 centimeters. The blue is also 48 inches, 121.92 inches. Now, on this, you'll see in the weave, I put the white and it's melted to it on 10 inches right in the center. And of course we're going to be using fits. It makes it easier to show. Now, you're going to need a pair of scissors, a lighter, and a presser. And let's do it. Okay, we're going to start and come from the bottom underneath and just push it right through here and one on the other side and same, and we pull it through. And then make sure you center it. And then we take the blue and it goes right through the side there. And we center it. Now, take the white, take your red, push it through, and make sure it kind of goes on top of the blue, which kind of, yeah. And on the other side, up to the center, all the way across on the other side. Red from the left, or which you go the other way, doesn't matter. To the center, across, all the way to the other side. And go down. Now, blue comes up in the middle, under the white, but over the core, the black core, under this side, but over this side. And you'll do this every time when you do it. the blue on the right side goes over that blue, underneath, up to the center, over the black, but under the white, and down through the blue on the right side. Now this you do every time. Tighten the red down. Now the red from the right side goes up to the middle, over everything, and then down on the right side. Red on the left side, up to the middle, over and down, over everything, and down on the right side. Blue over the red, up under everything, up in between, in the middle, between 2 and 3 of the black, and under the white, but over the black. On the left side, goes over everything, in the blue, then it goes down, under, up, in between 2 and 3 of the black, over 3 and 4, and under the white, and down to the lip. And also this you do every time. Okay, again, you should have the whole weave by now. There we go. Yeah. Red from the right side, up to the middle, between 2 and 3, and 1 and 2 of the white. Slowly over, then down, underneath the blue, and just piece back out of the way. From the left side, same thing, up between 2 and 3 of the black, and 1 and 2 of the white. Over, down, under the blue, and up out of the way. Now the blue from the right side, over the red, up under everything, in between 2 and 3, over the black, 1 and 2, and under the white 1. The blue from the left side goes over the red, over the blue, underneath everything, up between 2 and 3 of the black, over 3 and 4 of the black, under 2 of the white, down the loop you made on the right side. Tighten it up, cinch up, tighten your red down some more. Now this is going to be impossible to keep totally tight, but you just do it the best you can, but don't overly tighten it. Now again, the red underneath the blue, up in the middle between 3 and 4 of the black, and 1 and 2 of the white, over to the right, and just lay down and move up out of the way. Red on the left side, next same thing, up between 2 and 3, and 1 and 2, over to the left side, up under the blue, out of the way. Now, blue again from the right side, over the red, up in between 2 and 3, over 1 and 2, under number 1 of the white. Blue on the left side, over the red, over the blue, up under, in between 2 and 3 of the black, over 3 and 4 of the black, under number 2 of the white. Then we tighten everything up, forward, and then tighten down your red, pull from underneath and straight down, and then hold it so you can get it nice and tight.